Hey guys, it's Saria. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Saria. I literally just said my name. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Maybe you're coming over from one of the other channels involved in this swap, but yes, I love doing swaps with my fellow Disney YouTubers. I also primarily do Disney crafts and DIYs, especially Mickey ear DIYs, which is what led me to this swap. So Roxana from over at Life with Roxana organized a kind of summertime Mickey ear swap where we filled out all the things that we love about summer, and then basically we got a person, we got their preferences, you made a set of ears for that person, sent them off, and then received a box. So my box has arrived. It is large, quite large for being supposed to be one set of ears. Now that being said, I myself may have broken the requirement for this one. You'll have to check out the list of the channels that are participating below and go figure out who I sent my ears to, unless of course I did that thing where I'm like, who I sent my ears to, and then the link is right there. We'll see. Go see who I sent to and see why I broke the rule. And I'm just gonna jump into this box. This is the box. It is covered in all kinds of stickers and cute little phrases and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. I literally almost just like impaled my eyeball. What the heck? Okay, this is way more than a set of ears, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna try to take a new thumbnail because the inside of this box is adorable. Okay, starting with the card. Very cute penmanship. Can I tell you guys how much I love having an eye in my name, because I almost always get a little Mickey on my eye. Oh, how cute is the card? Sparkly Mickey. Woo. Oh my god, I love when people do this. Okay, so she sent me this beautiful card, but then she wrote on like a separate sheet of paper and put it in, so it's like you get the card, but then you can use the card. That's so clever. Okay. Saria, I was filled with so many emotions when seeing I Got You. You are the one and only ear queen. I hope these live up to your name. P.S. One of them lights up. Much love, Sammy! So Sammy got me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I didn't know Sammy before this swap, but I do love her. I love following her on Instagram. You guys have to go check her out. Follow her, subscribe, do all the things. She's so sweet, and really, you're gonna like her. But yeah, she sent me this adorable Mickey card and even like didn't write in it so that I could reuse it, which is just so considerate. Okay, so she said something for the girls, and she sent me 2 giant bubble things, and I don't know if she saw my Dollar Tree haul that I did not that long ago, but I bought like 3 things of bubbles from Dollar Tree, and they sucked, let me tell you. I love Dollar Tree, I believe in them, but their bubbles, not so much. So super excited about these. I don't know, like something to smell like summer. Oh, by the way, can we talk about this wrapping paper? I'm going to show you on the big one so you can see like the majority of the princesses, but it's so cute. It's a candle and it says Summer Lemonade. I love the smell of lemonade. Oh my god. I wish you guys could smell this with me. This smells so stinking good. I can't. It does smell kind of like lemonade, but it's very sweet and fruity. It's kind of like a flavored lemonade smell. Oh my god, I'm lighting this like tonight. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Sammy. Guys, come on. Like, I feel so overwhelmed right now. Like, this was an ear swap and I got like this huge box. Okay, hold on. Let me see what these say on them. I hope you don't have this hothead. Hothead. This looks like a Funko box. I'm not going to read it. There's like a label on it. I don't. I don't have him. It's Hades. It's the glow-in-the-dark exclusive Hades. What the heck? I'm so excited right now. Oh my god, you guys, I'm literally sitting next to a stack of Funkos that I was going to do a haul on, and now I'm obviously adding this one to it. Oh my god, I wanted him so bad. He's been on my cart for forever, and I've just never pulled the trigger on buying him. I have so many things to say, but the number one thing is thank you so much. You did not need to include this. I'm so freaking excited right now. I'm gonna have to put my haul up after this goes up so that I can like explain it. Yeah, I'm speechless. There's 2 packages in here, guys. There's 2. I thought there was 1 left. There's 2. So this one says, I hope these make you feel like your toes are in the sand. And this one says, sorry, I ran out of paper, but I hope these light up your day. So I'm saving these for the end because these are the light up ones. But how cute is she that she like used the leftover paper on the edges? Girl, that happens to me like all the time. I'll be like, I have enough. No. Okay, so first pair of ears. Oh, I'm just gonna show you guys the paper. Ooh. Okay. So it's just really pretty princess paper. I'm sure you guys are like, we'd rather see the ears, but the paper's so cute. We've got all the princesses, well not all, but like Belle, Ariel, Snow White, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty. Oh, Rapunzel, did I forget Rapunzel? Yeah. Okay. So she did wrap it in bubble wrap. I've got glitter right here and it's like sparkling in my eye. Oh my god! These are so cute and beautiful. Oh my god, if these are not beach vibes. Guys, I don't even remember what I put on my questionnaire if I'm being totally honest, but I do know that I must have said something about the beach because when people talk about summer, like that's what I imagine in my mind. Me and my husband used to go on cruises like all the time before we had kids. I love the beach. I love the ocean. I love the sand. It's probably a huge reason why Ariel's one of my favorite princesses of all time. And if these do not scream the beach, I don't know what does. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up and like, you know, show you all the just intricate, beautiful detail. So she used this gorgeous reflective blue fabric. It's like iridescent, but it's also like, it's almost like the most minuscule little sequins. And then she did a beautiful pearl trim. She did little pearl accents on the bow, which is just so extra and mermaid-like. Oh, I love it. And then she did kind of like what looks like almost like a gilded fishnet on the ear. Below it, she put the seashells on the bottom, and they're not heavy at all, by the way, guys. Like I put them on my head. They're totally lightweight and comfortable. And then she did a beautiful little rope trim in the middle, which is kind of like, you know, ships and stuff like that. And then the gold around the headband is just that extra touch, guys. Like they are, it's more of honestly like a copper, and it's, oh my god, I just love them. I love the fabric she picked. What did you say in your note? I hope these live up to your name. Girl, yes. They surpass. These are so beautiful. I love them so much, and they're so me. That's the thing that I love about these kind of swaps, is it's like you're getting this personalized gift that where they took you in mind, and these are so me. The colors and the aesthetic, and just, this is summer. This is Saria in the summer. Okay, guys. This is Saria in the summer. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. I can't believe I have another pair to open. You had literally no reason to send me 2 pairs because what the heck? These are awesome. Okay, let's open pair number 2. Oh my god. Okay, these are 4th of July if I have ever seen them. Where's the switch? Girl, you hit this switch. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, that's creative. I've never hid the light pack like that. That's a really creative idea. Okay, these are super duper cute. Guys, how cute! Okay, let me try these on. How do I look? Patriotic? These are so cute. I love that they light up. Oh my god. I mean, obviously, you guys know I love light up ears. Like, unless you're new to my channel, that's something that's been made very clear through the time I've had my channel. These are so cute, so festive. You did a great job. They're very creative. I love how you did everything too, because guys, she didn't do it the way that like I necessarily do everything, and I love seeing how other creative minds create. That's just so cool to see how they thought through it and problem solved and like, you know, made magic happen in the ears. So let me give you guys a close-up of these. So she picked this really beautiful fabric. It's got kind of like a worn wood look that's almost like whitewashed, which I love. It's also got a red and a gold and blue star pattern that is very reminiscent of almost like a quilt. And then there's other aspects of it that remind me almost of like old letters and stamps and stuff like that. That's so, so cute. And then the bow is another type of fabric, and it's got words all over it like USA and United and things like that, which it's adorable, honestly. And then I love that she added lace to the inside of the headband. She added a rope trim to the edge of the ear, and then as you guys can see, there are lights all over this thing, which is so festive and fun, and I love it. And the thing that I found the coolest is how she hid the light switch pack. So I've never hidden it quite like this before. If you open up the bow, it's actually like hidden inside. And this took me like a minute to find, which I super love because I really like when it's not evident where it is. So that's really cool. They are gorgeous and beautiful and just festive and fun. And I love that they light up. Sammy, you must have worked so hard on these. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much. So Sammy, once again, I just want to say thank you so much for making me 2 pairs of super gorgeous ears, sending me this amazing, I can't pick it up and not smell it, come on guys, this amazing smelling candle, that yours, it's so rightly titled, it totally makes me think of summer when I smell it. My freaking awesome glow in the dark Hades Funko, and of course the bubbles for my girls were just the extra icing on the cake. Girl, this was so over the top awesome. Thank you so much. You're just so giving and kind, and that, I mean, you went way over the top. Like we were supposed to send 1 set of ears, and this is like a full-blown, you sent a gift box. Thank you so much. I love both my ears. They're gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you guys haven't, please go check out all the other videos in this swap. I will have them linked in the description box below. Go check out everybody's videos. Go see some awesome, beautiful ear creations. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow and keep going through all of time, because we just need these Disney crafts to keep rolling out, right guys? And I was gonna say without further ado, because I say that at the beginning. This is like, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.